one of the best choices I have made choosing to come to this university.
It pushes you to think and not accept information as it is.
My first experience here in the UK and Bristol was really welcoming.
A really great feeling because you know that you have achieved something.
Yeah, I really liked the teaching. I think they were all really understanding.
The lecturers and tutors who were just really supportive and approachable.
The thing I loved about business management was the different opportunities that you got, which now in the working world is really helpful.
You learn a lot that sets you up very well for learning the ACA and later on roles in financial services.
So I actually did biology, chemistry, art at A-levels, so it was a really new realm for me, business, but I really liked that you could do a whole range of different things.
You find yourself with an expert within the field who advises you. They're well equipped to take you to the next step.
So it was really, interesting to read about and research about a topic where your supervisor is one of the, key experts in that field.
Tutorials that were really nice because it's a small set of people, so you had more opportunity to ask your questions and not be as shy.
It really allows you to choose the units you really like.
I got to learn stuff not only just for accounting and finance, it's a bit of economics, a bit of maths.
3-day intensive, I think it was financial modelling course, very alternative and different.
We worked with a local charity to work out their social return on investment.
I really enjoyed doing the Bristol Plus Award and I would recommend every student to take the time and actually complete it. I did do placements in the Bristol Sport Foundation as an assistant event manager. I really enjoyed that.
I was part of a mentoring scheme working at EY, and actually, ironically, I work at EY as well now.
A lot of Bristol students kind of have roles set up before they actually graduate. I'm working for KPMG in London.
I'm looking forward to starting a graduate role at KPMG.
I recently just started work at Havas, which is the 5th largest media agency in the world. This was all stemmed from the marketing that I learnt at Bristol, and I'm so grateful and happy that I'm there.
Bristol City is an amazing place. It offers a lot for everyone.
It's so vibrant, so welcoming, so colourful. I love everything about it.
It's full of life. It's very different than any other city in the UK.
It's one of a kind. It's got so much to offer.
Unique and quirky.
I never really had trouble fitting in. It was a very diverse environment. There were people and students from all over the world.
I would definitely recommend the University of Bristol. I couldn't imagine myself anywhere else, genuinely.
I do recommend the University of Bristol because I feel like it has a lot to offer.
Yeah, I would really recommend Bristol and accounting and finance as well.
The University of Bristol set me up for life.
I would most definitely recommend the University of Bristol.
I've actually recommended it to quite a few people.